Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the turbulent political waters of Zimbabwe, where Nelson Chamisa, a key opposition leader, made headlines with a bold and controversial decision. Chamisa, who's been at the forefront of Zimbabwe's political scene, recently stepped down from his position as the leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC. He cited severe infiltration and manipulation by the ruling party, ZANU-PF, as his reasons. Now, let's unpack this. Imagine leading a party with high hopes of change, only to find it being sabotaged from within. Chamisa described his experience as trying to swim in a river with hungry crocodiles. Quite the metaphor, right? This was not just about political setbacks. Chamisa felt his party, which once symbolized hope and renewal, was now contaminated beyond repair. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite the overwhelming challenges and what he called sewer politics, Chamisa's resolve remains unshaken. Drawing strength from his faith, he mentioned relying on biblical principles, emphasizing that no insult or persecution could conquer his spirit. This isn't just politics, it's a testament to his personal resilience and faith. Chamisa's departure from CCC isn't the end of his political journey. He hinted at forming a new party, signaling a fresh start. Imagine, amidst all the chaos, still having the courage to start over, to believe in the possibility of genuine, untainted leadership. That's not just bold, it's inspiring. As we closely watch Chamisa's next moves, his story serves as a powerful reminder of the complex interplay between faith, politics, and personal resilience. Whether you're a political enthusiast or just someone intrigued by the perseverance of the human spirit, Chamisa's narrative offers rich insights. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay curious and informed. Until next time,